Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson compound interest. Now coming to the worksheet 3, question number 16. Last 4 sums are there, isn't it? Question number 16 of our worksheet 3. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 12,800 for 1 year at 7.5% per annum compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means what? Half yearly. So underline semi-annually. So what is the principal? It is rupees 12,800. R is given as 7.5% per annum, but it is semi-annually. So first convert 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15 upon 2% per annum, but semi-annually, so 15 by 2. In the denominator you have to multiply by 2, isn't it? Half करने का है, so it will be 15 by 4% half yearly. Now 1 year, n is equal to 1 year, means how many half years? 2 half years. Hope you remember the earlier worksheets, isn't it? There we have discussed about half yearly, quarterly and all. Now we have to find out both amount and the CI. So put the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to n, 12800 into 1 plus 15 by 4 into 100 the whole raised to 2. Now 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 100. That means 12800 into 1 plus 3 upon 4 20s are 80, 4 2s are 8, the whole raised to 2. That means it became 12800 into, this is 80 plus 3, 83 upon 80, 2 times 83 upon 80, 10 10 10 10, cancel. Now 8 ones are 128, isn't it? So it is 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 9 10 11 12, 4 remains, 8 6 are 48. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So when you multiply 83 into 83 into 2, कितना आएगा? It is 13778. 13,778. Multiply and see. This is the amount. Now find out CI. A minus P. A is 13,778 minus, it is 12,800. It will be 17 minus 8 is 9. So amount is 13,778 and CI is 978. Okay, that was question number 16. Easy. Now coming to the 17th sum. Mr. Arora borrowed 40,960 from a bank, means what? Principal is equal to rupees 40,960 to start a play school. If the bank charges 12.5% per annum, so R is equal to 12.5% per annum, but compounded half yearly. So first 12 twos are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. That means 25 by 2 denominator multiply by 2. That means 25 by 4% half yearly. Understood? 25 by 4% half yearly. Now time 1.5 years. N is equal to 1.5 years. That means how many half years? It is 3 half years. Now they have asked you to find out the amount. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. This is just like the second worksheet sums. Second, isn't it? And the third worksheet starting K. So P is a how much? 40,960 into 1 plus R 25 upon 4 into 100 denominator में the whole raised to 3. 25 ones are 25 fours are 100. So आपको मिला 40960 into it is 1 plus 1 upon 4 fours are 16 the whole raised to 3. Understood? Now it is 40960 into 16 plus 1 17 upon 16 3 times. 17 upon 16 you have to write 3 times. Now it will be 16 ones are 16 2 5 6 and 0. Again 16 ones are it is 16 1 6 0. 16 ones are 10. Means 16k square cube, isn't it? 16 का cube 4096. Now 17 का cube find out करो and into 10. So it will be 4913 and 0. 49,130. That is the amount. Answer amount is equal to rupees 49,130. That was question number 17. Now you are finding these sums easy, isn't it? Semi-annually, quarterly. Okay, question number 18. Meera lent out rupees 20,000. Principal is equal to rupees 20,000 for 9 months. Time is 9 months. Rate of interest R is equal to 20% per annum, but compounded quarterly. Quarterly है तो 20 upon 4. That is 5% quarterly. N is equal to 9 months. 9 months मतलब कितना quarter होगा? 3 3s are 9, isn't it? 3 quarter years. याद है? 1 quarter is 3 months. So 9 months is 3 quarter years. So A is equal to what amount they have asked? P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. 20,000 into 1 plus 5 upon 100, the whole raised to 3. 5 ones are 5 20s are. That means 20,000 into 20 plus 1, 21 upon 20. Write 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Zeros cancel. Now 2 ones are 2 tens are, 2 ones are 2 fives are. Now you got denominator 2 is there, 21 3 times into 5. So you will get it to be 46305 upon 2. When you multiply 21 into 21 into 21 into 5, you will get so much. Now it is rupees. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, that is why decimal. Take 1 0, 5 are 10 and rupees पैसा है, इसके लिए extra 0. So answer, amount is equal to rupees 23,152.50. Was it easy? Now coming to the last sum, find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 24,000. So principal is rupees 24,000. For 6 months, if the interest is payable quarterly at the rate of R is equal to 20 paise a rupee, means per rupee, हर एक रुपीस के लिए 20 पैसे पर एनम, 20 पैसे per rupee, but rate of interest always calculated on 100 rupees, isn't it? 1 rupee के लिए आप लोग 20 पैसे, so 100 rupee के लिए कितना आएगा? It is 200 पैसे, 200 नहीं, 2 जीरो ऐड होगा, 2000 पैसे है ना. 20 का एक्स्ट्रा 2 जीरो डालने का है, 2000 पैसे मतलब कितना हो गया? इट इज 20 रुपीज है ना. 20 रुपीज फॉर 100 रुपीज, दैट मीन्स व्हाट? 20%, 20% पर एनम. याद रखो 20 पैसे पर 1 रुपी का मतलब 20 rupees for 100 rupees. So always rate of interest is calculated on 100 rupees. अभी ये पर एनम, लेकिन क्वार्टरली, इसके लिए 20/4, that is 5% quarterly. Okay. Now 6 months, n is equal to 6 months. कितना क्वार्टर ईयर्स हो गया? 2 क्वार्टर ईयर्स, isn't it? 3 months के हिसाब से 2 क्वार्टर ईयर्स. Now find the amount and the CI. A is equal to, थोड़ा इधर कंफ्यूज किए उतना ही, P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to n. 24,000 into 1 plus 5 upon 100 the whole raised to 2. 5 ones are 5 20s are. 24,000 into 20 plus 1, 21 upon 20, 2 times 21 upon 20. 1 0, 2 0 cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 12s are 24 and this 0. 2 1s are 2 6 are 12 and 0. So 21 into 21 into 6. It is 2646 and 0. That means it is a 26,460. Now CI, A minus P. A is a 26,460 minus 24,000, that is 0, 6, 4 and 2. It is 2,460. So you got amount and the CI. So that was the worksheet 3. Hope you are confident with all the sums of worksheet 3. There are different sets, isn't it? It's a lengthy worksheet, but I hope you have understood properly because I have made different sets like how to find out the principal, amount, the rate of interest, the time, the difference between the CI and SI, those type of sums, isn't it? Okay, bye, thank you, all the best.